Dumpster rental service in Southwest Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Yellow Box Waste is your go-to provider for reliable and affordable dumpster rental service in Southwest Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Whether it's a DIY project or a large-scale commercial job, we've got you covered. With Yellow Box Waste, you get the convenience of accessible dumpster rental services. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes for all kinds of projects, ensuring that we have the perfect solution, whether you're cleaning out a basement or clearing debris from a construction site. Our process is simple: just choose the right size, schedule your delivery, and we'll take care of the rest. There are no hidden fees or hassles, just efficient service to keep your project moving forward. We proudly serve all of Southwest Oklahoma City and nearby areas, ensuring timely, reliable, and affordable dumpster rental services for homes, businesses, and contractors. Our professional team makes waste management easy, so you can focus on completing your project and not worry about the cleanup. Don't let waste slow you down. Call us today at 405-570-4977 to schedule your dumpster rental in Southwest Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Our team is here to help you every step of the way, from choosing the correct dumpster to fast delivery and pickup. Let's clean up your project today.